All right, follow along as I'm going through this assignment with you. You have the 3 pages, I have 2 pages I gave you, I'm sorry. So the first one is we worked on yesterday. Step 1, I asked you to go on Google, search the internet for different social issues you might be interested in. And as you find one you're interested in, you're going to write it on that list of 5. And then you prioritize them. Which one's your favorite? The second, the third. And then we selected your topic, and then you put that topic in the circle here on step 2, and now you're going to web that out, because you want to try to take that topic and narrow it down as best you can. If I'm doing head injuries in sports, it could be football, it could be hockey, it could be basketball, and then I want to concentrate on football, so I'm going to web football out even more. Is it types of helmets, types of injuries, tests for head injuries? You start webbing that out as far as you can to narrow it down, because your PowerPoint presentation that you're going to do is not that long, and I'll get to that in a second here. So that's how you do step 2. Then, on step 3, you're going to answer those questions. What change would you like to see happen to your issue? How does this issue impact me, my school, my community? What are the different sides, arguments, controversies surrounding your issue? And number 4, what aspect of this issue am I most interested in finding out about? And then you answer those, you answer question number 4. Now that you have thought through your topic, pick a specific part of your issue that you would like to explore and complete research so that you can confidently present about your issue. And that's step 4. So that's where you're going to narrow it down even more. These questions here on step 3 will help you narrow that down, hopefully. And then step 5, you're going to build a claim and find support for that claim. And that's when you're going to take out your claim sheet then, that second sheet you have. And it says your vital issue presentation, claim. A claim is a statement that clearly states your opinion on a given topic. For a statement to be a claim, the author must clearly take a side on the issue. So you are going to have to take a side on the issue. It doesn't matter whether you're 100% against abortion. You can still do a PowerPoint presentation in support of abortion. We're not here to judge on that merit. We're here to judge your presentation and your research. Okay, does that make sense? So you have to take a side. So it gives you an example. A claim, taco salad is the best lunch at Western High School. Not a claim. Taco salad is one of the favorite lunches at Western do. This is not a claim because the author has not taken a side. They have merely restated a fact. And then you're going to find support. The support for your position can be defined as evidence plus reasoning. In 1 out of every 10 death row cases, the person that is sentenced to be executed is later found innocent and released from jail. This is evidence, but I have not explained reasoning, how that piece of evidence supports my claim that the death penalty should be abolished. I need to add something like this. Because the criminal justice system is so flawed that 10% of all death row convictions are overturned, America needs to outlaw the death penalty before we kill another innocent victim. When the court system executes an innocent man, they are no better than the murderers that they are trying to punish. So take your time then and develop your claim before you get into your PowerPoint. You have to have your claim first. Once you have your claim in your PowerPoint, you're ready to go. So you're going to have your claim in your PowerPoint, and then it gives you a checklist. You're going to put your support for that claim in your PowerPoint presentation. That's your PowerPoint. Now, a visual is something outside of your PowerPoint. It's exactly that. It's a visual. If I'm doing head injuries in football, I might bring a football helmet in there. Please pay attention, everyone. I might bring a football helmet to school. If I'm doing something on breast cancer, I may make a cake that make cupcakes that have the symbol for breast cancer awareness. on it. There's all kinds of different things you can do for your visual, and I'll work with you. It could be a poster, right? There's all kinds of things. If you're not sure, I'll work with you on it. And then the easiest part is your outline. And all you have to do on your PowerPoint presentation is you go in, you click to create an outline of the PowerPoint. I don't need you to make an outline. It makes it for you. That's when you're done with everything. We're not worried about that right now. But in your PowerPoint presentation, you also have to include a 2 to 3 minute video that supports your claim. All right? You have to attach it in your PowerPoint, a 2 to 3 minute video that supports your claim.
Of us talking.
What?
Of us talking or something.
No, a video that supports it. Like if I'm doing breast cancer awareness, I may find a video that's breast cancer awareness is not narrow enough, so I may find something on a charity that has been doing work with breast cancer awareness or something like that, and I got a video on that from one that they put out there. Okay. Overall, your presentation should be anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes, probably closer to 7 minutes long. So there's really not a lot of time for you to talk there. So make sure that you get this down and really specific. The final thing I have then is I have the rubric that you can take a look at. I've sent that out to my virtual students. And this is just telling you how you're going to be graded when you present this. What I'm looking for. And we'll look at that towards the end of the week, early next week when we're towards completion. I'd like to hope to have these done by probably the end of the day, Tuesday next week. So you've got the rest of the period today, all day Wednesday, Thursday, and over the weekend and Monday. You'll have in-class time Monday to work on these as well. I won't take up a lot more of your time tomorrow or Thursday. I'll give you time to work. All right, any questions? Thank you, we turned it off. Let's get our